Hey there, Tech Explorers! Today I'll show you how to download Adobe Audition for free on your PC or Mac. Let's jump right in. First, click the link in the description below to head over to Adobe's official website. Once you're there, hit the free trial button. Select the business plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial. Plenty of time to dive into all the professional audio editing tools Adobe Audition has to offer. Next, click continue, enter your email address, and hit continue again. You'll need to fill in your personal details and payment info. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the trial ends, and you can cancel anytime before the 14 days are up. Once you've completed the form, click agree and subscribe. After that, create a secure password for your new Adobe account. You'll then be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it, log in with the same email address, and you're good to go. Once Creative Cloud is open, head to the Apps tab, find Adobe Audition, and click Install. And that's it, Adobe Audition is now installed and ready to use. Whether you're editing podcasts, cleaning up audio, or mixing tracks, you're all set. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to ComTechpedia for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy editing!